Pet its head and see what it does, Kate.
Oh, he closed his eyes. Yeah. He likes that. He likes that, yeah.
I like it. Luke's is maybe more vocal.
Luke's, did yours roll over and play dead?
Dad.
The dog.
You do, you got another paw.
Oh, he didn't like that. She didn't like that, Kate.
Oh, he's got a growl. Oh, he's growling. There, that's better.
I think my puppy's
You
hungry.
step on your little puppy
You think your
ornament,
puppy's
too? You
hungry?
have a little puppy ornament, don't you?
What should you feed your puppy?
I don't know. Ah, somebody's knocking on the door.